Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual. The ArcReach heater has two methods to set a joint preheating profile. For preheating using the manual heat program, use buttons to select the desired value for the heating cycle. Set the target temperature between 50 and 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the temperature under the heating tool, not the joint temperature. Press the Run button to activate. The heater will begin heating and automatically record data. The second option is preheating from a file on a USB flash drive using preloaded data from the ArcReach Heater Data app. After inserting a USB flash drive into the side of the heater, select the desired file from the View Load Program screen. Program types are Preheat, Bakeout, and Combined. Combined programs include both preheat and bakeout parameters. When a combined program is highlighted, use the Show Bake/Show Preheat button to switch between preheat and bakeout details. Use the Load Selected button to load the highlighted program. Heating parameters can be manually adjusted if necessary. Press the Run button to activate. The heater will begin heating and automatically record data.